If you suspect that your Binance account has been compromised or you are unable to access it due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Binance login page. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, click the Forgot Password link. This will allow you to initiate the process of resetting your password. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Binance account. Make sure to check for any typos before submitting. Step 4. Check your email for a reset link. Look for an email from Binance containing a password reset link. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions to reset your password. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. After resetting your password, log into your account and enable two-factor authentication for added security. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Binance support for further assistance. Always ensure your account security by using strong passwords and enabling additional security measures.